I'm back on here, and you're gonna need a drill because you're gonna have to well, all real diffusers not the same, but they got these, you know, where the holes go at the bottom. You're gonna have to drill those in to put the new pins in, and you're gonna need a 7mm socket wrench. So I'm only gonna do like 2 for y'all because I'm not gonna have y'all sit there the whole video watching me unscrew. Once you see the first 2 or the first one, you already get the example, so y'all stay tuned. Got these pre-holes. I already drilled those. I'm going to drill this one for y'all on camera right quick. Make sure I try to get some elevation so it won't hit the ground. So you got this last, where is it? Shit. Got this last hole right here. So we're gonna go, I don't want to drill that bad boy, but we actually got 2, so let's see. Alright, I got that one. Now we're gonna do the last one. I'm back. So as you can see under the car, kind of sunny. The video is sunny, kind of ruining my video. But under the diffuser, y'all kind of see these pins, right? These gonna be the ones you take out. No, not these. It's gonna be these. These gonna be the ones you take out with a 7mm socket wrench. Over here, in the end, got this what you're gonna get out. You can get something like this. If you want, you can get something like this if you want. But I'm gonna show y'all how to get that off right quick. These are the same ones I had from you know, my when I was doing whenever I was doing my rock guards, man. I got some dirt coming out that. I'm just gonna show you how to get that out. Damn, that shit in there, boy. Man, Dodge, all Dodge use the cheap parts. Alright, YouTube, so I got my 7mm socket wrench, and I'm about to take these pins off all across. So I'm gonna do this one for y'all, for example. Getting loose, y'all. Yes, you will use the same OEM parts on a new carbon fiber diffuser, whichever one you choose to use. So it's out, y'all. That's one 7mm socket wrench. So I'm gonna pause it. Like I said, I don't want to hold y'all, but you know what? I'll do one more with this side loose. Let's go to this one. Number 2. What's out the way? Hold on. Man, this car said low for a charger. Holy crap. Alright. Y'all get the point. I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm done. I'm in tired. Oh shit, I'm in tired. Oh fuck, I'm tired. Hold on. I see why mechanics charge a fuck ton for labor. Oh shit. Oh, like 80 degrees out here. All right, y'all, stay tuned.
4 of these, so make sure y'all keep these. Don't lose them.
They got one like this on both sides under here by the resonator. See the resonator? Might go get that one. Hey YouTube, so y'all see this right here? Y'all see this? This one is the pain. It's one of the pineapple type things. So you want to kind of maybe get like a Phillips screwdriver or something and just get in there and kind of like pull it out, because it's all the way, it's through the metal. Well, the plastic, and it's plastic right here. The card is not metal, it's plastic. So you just want to kind of just keep nudging on it. Got a lot of rocks back here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to go behind here, kind of just keep nudging on it. Get all the way in there. Hold it down, just keep pulling. And it's gonna kind of work its way on out. Man, this damn thing here is in there. I kind of got one to kind of keep wiggling it. Like it's starting to come out a little bit, but it's kind of tight. So I'm trying to get in here in the top part, trying to loosen it on all sides, kind of weaken it, because man, that thing is tight. Try not to break it either, y'all, if I don't have no spare ones. But I'm actually gonna do this on camera because y'all might have trouble with it. So maybe if I could try to get in here now. Trying to get like around in here, like I'm gonna show y'all, and just keep nudging on it. Boom, y'all, look, y'all see that? It's right here. So now we gotta try to pull it off. So we got all bolts off on all sides. So this here, it easily come off in the back, y'all. Y'all see this? It'll come out in the back. We just got to get it out through the front, so stay tuned. Once you take all those bolts off, you just want to pull it on off on all sides. Boom, your rear diffuser is off. See the OEM one? It's completely off. It's naked. Now we're gonna compare the two, y'all. We're gonna compare the two. Keep watching. These are two diffusers, y'all. Big difference, right? Stay tuned. So I got that side on. Then we're gonna bring out this side. Flush it all the way around, basically. It's not hard at all, y'all. Alright. And then we just snap this one. This one gonna go in. These might be a tad bit more difficult, but it's not lined up exactly. But it is a hole, so okay, it's gonna go. Hold on. Okay, we got all these lined up, right? Yeah, we do. But some of them are not completely lined up. That's in, this in. You just gotta get it lined up all the way around. Most of these, they gotta go in too. Let me try doing these first. I got these in a little easier. It's these two that's giving me pain. Go in there now. You want to make sure y'all press on it. Get it, make sure it snap in. Because you don't want to be doing 180 and it flies, you know what I'm saying. Then we'll get this, open that baby up. Stay tuned.